friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can change when Safari's downloaded file list is cleared in iOS and iPadOS. With the introduction of iOS 13 and iPadOS 13, Apple added a download manager to the mobile version of its Safari browser that's similar to the one found in Safari for Mac. The feature helps you keep track of any currently downloading files and can also be used to navigate to the storage location of your downloads. By default, the download manager file list is cleared after 1 day, but if you want, you can change it so that successfully completed downloads clear immediately, or you can opt to clear the list manually. Let me show you how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch Settings app on iPhone or iPad, then scroll down and choose Safari. Now you have to tap on Downloads. Next, tap on Remove Download List Items. After that, select After 1 day. It is selected by default, or upon successful download, or manually. If you don't want Safari to automatically delete downloaded files, make sure to choose manually. And if you want Safari to immediately delete the downloaded file, select upon successful download. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can manage Safari downloads on your iPhone or iPad. Now that you know how this nifty feature works, make the most of it to keep the clutter at bay. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.